Looking to shed those pounds and boost your energy? These fat-burning recipes are your new best friends. Let's get started. Kickstart your day with a green smoothie. Spinach, kale, banana, almond milk, chia seeds, and a scoop of protein powder. Jam-packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants to supercharge your metabolism. Next up, avocado toast with eggs. Whole grain bread, ripe avocado, and a poached egg with a sprinkle of chili flakes. Healthy fats and protein keep you full and crush cravings. For lunch, whip up a quinoa salad. Cooked quinoa, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, bell peppers, chickpeas, and a zingy lemon vinaigrette. Quinoa boosts metabolism and fiber-rich veggies aid digestion. Or try a grilled chicken and vegetable stir-fry. Grilled chicken breast, broccoli, carrots, bell peppers, garlic, and soy sauce. Lean protein builds muscle and burns calories faster. Dinner time? Go for baked salmon with asparagus, salmon fillet, asparagus, olive oil, and lemon juice. Omega-3s in salmon zap inflammation and boost fat metabolism. Another great option, turkey and sweet potato skillet. Ground turkey, sweet potatoes, spinach, and spices. Lean protein and complex carbs keep you satisfied and energized. Thirsty? Brew some green tea leaves or bags, and hot water. Catechins and caffeine rev up your metabolic engine, or mix up an apple cider vinegar drink. Apple cider vinegar, water, lemon juice, and a touch of honey. It helps regulate blood sugar and keeps hunger at bay. There you have it. Delicious recipes to fuel your weight loss journey. Ready to give them a try? Let's get cooking.